Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix images not opening in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails so you can see your full inbox. This ensures everything is properly synced before we dive into the settings. Now, to fix images not opening in Outlook, you'll need to access your settings. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This will open up a menu with various options related to your Outlook account and settings. Once the File menu has opened, scroll down to the bottom part of this menu. You'll see an option labeled Options. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window called Outlook Options, which contains all the main settings you can customize for your email client. From the Outlook Options window, you'll notice several settings tabs listed on the left side of the screen. These tabs control different aspects of how Outlook operates. Look for and click on the Trust Center tab. This section manages security and privacy settings, which is exactly where we need to be to fix the image loading issue. After clicking on Trust Center, you'll see a button labeled Trust Center Settings. Click on this button to access the deeper security configurations. A new Trust Center window will appear with even more detailed options. In the Trust Center settings window, look through the list on the left side and find the option called Automatic Download. Click on it. This section specifically controls how Outlook handles external content like images in emails. By default, Outlook blocks automatic image downloads for security and safety purposes, which is why you're not seeing images in your emails. Now, here's the key step. You'll see a checkbox next to a line that states "Don't download pictures automatically." This checkbox is likely checked, which means Outlook is blocking images from loading. Simply remove the check mark from this box by clicking on it. This will allow images to download and display automatically when you open emails. Once you've unchecked that box, click on OK to save and apply the settings. This will close the Trust Center window and return you to the Outlook options screen. Click OK again to close that window as well and ensure all your changes are retained. And that's it. You've now fixed the issue preventing images from opening in Outlook. From now on, images should load automatically when you open your emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.